Oil giant BP has agreed a $7.8 billion settlement for victims of the 2010 Gulf of Mexico oil spill. But that will not end its legal headaches, nor erase the disaster for some US Southern Coast residents in the wake of the explosion of the Deepwater Horizon oil rig. For the long-awaited trial over the worst ecological disaster in US history has only been postponed yet again, this time for a further 45 days. It was on April 20th, 2010 that the rig exploded some 80 kilometers off the coast of New Orleans, killing 11 people when flammable gas leaked from the well and ignited. The rig sank 2 days later, but it took 87 days to cap the well 5,000 feet below the water surface, as it spewed 4.9 million barrels, or 206 million gallons, of crude oil into the waters of the Gulf, devastating tourism and ruining the livelihoods of fishermen in 5 states, as well as killing 6,000 seabirds. It will now be up to a federal judge to determine responsibility between BP and subcontractors Transocean, operators of the Deepwater Horizon rig, and Halliburton, who are blamed for the well's faulty cement job. The trial will also determine the amount of compensation and fines BP must pay, but the process could drag on for years before a final outcome is reached. BP have already shelled out $6 billion to 220,000 victims, who all chose an early settlement of their claim for damages. But the payment does not affect what is anticipated to be tens of billions of dollars in fines and claims from the US government, coastal states and local governments.